Tonight we're hearing from local businesses in Macon who say they enjoyed the snow and the business that came along with it.
Jasmine Lee shares how their decision to stay brought a flurry of activity.
In the last 24 hours, I've spoken to Central Georgians who've been enjoying the snow. Now, even though most businesses are remaining closed, I spoke to two Macon businesses who say being open brought them more customers.
How are you? Welcome to La Parrilla.
It's a welcome that many Central Georgians witnessed at the La Parrilla Mexican restaurant hours after snow reached Central Georgia. A crowd surrounding the restaurant with joy and support. Manager Adriana Rico says even though roads were icy, her team wanted to make their customers happy.
We received the support, and I think we can return in a little bit. Days like today, return how appreciated we are.
And for Longleaf Distillery, Sean McMahon says this is the most business they've seen in weeks.
We didn't expect too many people to come out, but honestly, even with the snow, we have had more people today already just opening at 4 in the last 45 minutes than we have had on most Wednesdays in the last few weeks.
He says they were considering closing, but wanted to continue serving the community.
As a business, when everywhere else closes, it is kind of an opportunity to jump on that and stay open if you can manage it.
Rico says Tuesday night they were empty, a slow night, but on Wednesday morning when they opened, doors were filled with new faces and people ready to eat.
We don't expect that kind of people around here. A lot of people is called to see if we are open or not, and they are so happy because we open today.
Now, both businesses tell me they will remain open and hope they continue to get more customers. Reporting in Macon, Jasmine Lee, 13 WMAZ News.